guys, Whisper Crystal here. Today I'm going to do a tutorial on Free Studio Manager. This has been requested by some of you and I thought it would be nice to show you some of the things that you can do, which I think are quite useful. So we'll have a look at those features. I won't go into every single thing that you can do because it's quite, you can see there are lots of things you can do with it, but I'm going to focus on the main elements that I think are most useful, the ones that I use the most anyway, and hopefully you'll find that helpful. If you think that you would like me to focus on any of these later on, I can do that too. So let's get started. This software is completely free. It's produced by DVD Video Soft, so you can get it from their website. I'll include that in the description. And you can see that there are lots of different features and you can download the one that you need. You don't have to get it all, but I recommend just getting the main software, which includes everything that you can do with it all in one. And you can do that by clicking the download free studio button here. Quick safety or security advice: don't download any software from websites that you don't know about. It may be unsafe and infected with virus, but this one is safe because you can see even last week nearly 400,000 people downloaded it. I downloaded, installed it and scanned it with my antivirus software. Always have one on your computer. There's some free available, or you can buy one as well. Just make sure that your computer is protected. So once you're ready, download it and just simply install it by following the on-screen instructions. There's quite straightforward, nothing too difficult. And once you've done that and run it, you will get this menu. You will probably get the intro first, but I tend to just switch it off from there at the top, so you don't have to watch that every time. You can see that different categories are displayed in different colors. That's pretty good in terms of user interface, makes it more friendly, and it keeps everything quite organized. So to briefly mention some of the things you can do a lot of things related to YouTube, like downloading YouTube videos, audios from videos, uploading your videos even. You can do a lot of things with your sound, converting your MP3 files or other sound formats to any other format you'd like. You can burn CDs, DVDs with your sound or videos. You can edit your videos, like rotate them or convert them to different formats. You can convert your images, your photos, your other types of formats that you might have, and you can even do a screen recording like this. You can convert your audio files into formats that will let you use them on your mobile or cell phone. So you can upload them to your cell phone or your mobile phone, and you can convert them to use in your Mac devices or Apple devices. Finally, is a cool new feature: you can create 3D images or videos. So the ones that you might go to the movies to watch a 3D movie, so you can make your own. And as I said, there's a lot that you can do, so we'll just get started. The most important one in terms of YouTube, I believe this is the one I use the most. Free YouTube MP3, which means you download the video as an MP3 sound file. But let's get started by downloading the actual video. So it will include the video footage plus the audio file. When you click that, this will be the screen that you see initially. Another good thing about this software is that it's made so that all the screens are consistent with each other. There isn't a steep learning curve. Once you know how to do one of these, it will be quite easy to be able to do all the other features that the software offers. So let's download our first video from YouTube, shall we? I'm just going to search for a random video. Let's go with this one. I checked earlier, it's really cute. What you do is you get the actual video page and you copy the web address by right clicking on it and copying it. Now if you're using a Mac, the software is only available on Windows platform, so I am sorry that you might not be able to use this just yet, but because it's getting more and more popular, I believe they will probably create a version soon enough for Mac users too. So now that we copied the YouTube link, what we do is just simply press the space button here. And when you do that, you shall see the actual URL, which is the web address, the video, appearing in this box here. You can add as many videos as you like. If you add more than one, it will just download them one by one. For now, we'll just do one. And then next you select the output folder. By default it will be in the folder that you install this software. I'm just gonna keep that in there, but if you want to change the folder, just click browse button. It will open your folders in your computer and select the one that you want to download them into. Finally, you can select what format you want to download your video. Normally the default one is MP4 file, and it's quite a high definition video, so the first number you see here indicates the resolution. The higher the better quality, and obviously it will take more space. And then you can see the different format is indicated here. This is MP4, this is an AVI file, these are flash files, so depending on the purpose, it's completely up to you what sort of format you need. If you don't understand any of this, not to worry, just go with what the default is on there and that should be good enough. I'll just leave the default on, and next just click download. You'll see that it starts to download it straight away. Shows the progress on there in the progress bar. And when download says downloading was completed successfully. If you want to open the folder, just simply click this output folder button and you'll see that it opens and displays the video we just downloaded. That was easy, wasn't it? Double click on it to see. Here you go. Now you actually have a video that was on YouTube. I think that's quite useful if you want to back up some videos and watch them later on your computer. So that's great. Next I'm going to show you how to download just a sound file. So let's close this and then close that. You'll notice that every time you close this software, this window will pop up. You don't have to worry about it, it's just advertising its own toolbar. Don't install it, you don't need to. Don't install anything unnecessary to your computer. Always remember to keep it nice and clean. The less clutter there is, the better it will run and the safer it will be. So just close that and let's go back to our menu. Next in line is the one I use the most. And if you want to download the MP3, so the sound file, to any of the videos that you might find on YouTube, say you like a whisper video, I usually try to provide, in my most recent ones anyway, I've been providing the MP3 for my videos. You can find them in the download box. But if I haven't done this in my older videos, and you really want to listen to it on your computer, in your iPod, or any other device, and the way to do that would be to use this feature. Now, admittedly, the quality of YouTube videos aren't as good as the original that you upload because it converts into its own format, but it will be good enough. It will be what you hear on YouTube. If the MP3 is available, go for that, but if it's not, then obviously use this feature. And hopefully you'll find that you can do this all by yourself now. Just click on that, and again it will bring a very similar video to what we had before. So let's follow the same steps that we've done. Go to YouTube, right click on the web address, copy the web address, go back to your software, press paste, check that it's the video you'd like, select the upload folder. If you're happy with it, you can keep it as it stands, and then just select the type of format you'd like for your audio file. The highest quality will be WAV because it's just a raw file, but it will take a lot more space. You really don't need that. You can see that you can even burn it in a CD, but we'll just keep it as it is. Standard MP3 quality would be good enough. Press download. It will show the progress as before, and once it's completed, let's have a look by selecting the Outlook, and here it is, our very own MP3 file. As easy as that, 4 steps, and then you can now listen to this. If you double click on it, it will open it in your default audio player, so media player. Mine is Windows Media Player apparently, so the audio will start to play in there. You see that there's no visual in this one anymore because we basically ripped the audio from the video, separated it, and just have the sound file to listen to whenever we like. I think it's very useful. Obviously beware of downloading copyrighted material. As you might know, you shouldn't be downloading copyrighted material, but for whisper videos, that if you're waiting for the MP3 file, you don't want to wait, you can always use that feature. And I'm gonna quickly go over a few more features on this tab. Free YouTube to iPod means it just converts to a format that your iPod will recognize. But in all honesty, I use iTunes for my iPod. When I actually paste an MP3 into iTunes, it converts it with no problem. So I don't really have much use for that feature, nor for that one. But you can play around with it. Free YouTube to DVD means you can actually download the video and then burn it on it DVD. You'd need to have a DVD, a blank DVD in your DVD burner, of course. But once you paste everything in there, so because it's a DVD, you can paste a lot of things in there as long as you don't run out of space. It will tell you if you do. And once you're ready, you just press create DVD and your DVD will start to be created. Neat. Finally, this is an interesting feature. I don't know why you would need to use it, to be honest. Basically, it does what you would do if you want to upload your video into YouTube. You know how you go and press the upload button, you sign in, of course, and then once you sign in, you just upload your video by filling out a few things like a title, description, etc. So this software will let you do that without having to go to the browser. As always, you just select your file by going add files. So let's say that we want to upload that one. Once you select that, it will appear on here, and the title and the description by default will be what it's on the original file. You can add tags that you would on YouTube. Once you're done, you select the category, you can select the privacy, and the sign in will be done by clicking on the change account button. You can see the username is what you use to log into your account, and then the password for it. So once you've done that, you're ready to upload. Just press upload and you will see that video appears on YouTube. Now I don't know if there is much point to do it this way, because I don't think I notice any speed differences, or I don't know if it's any quicker, but you can try and see how you like it. Next we're going to look at MP3 and audio. You'll see that this is a blue category, so anything to do with sound and MP3 and audio is colored in blue. But for ease of use, they actually included shortcuts from other categories as well, like the YouTube was red. So these are the same things that you can do by going into various red and green categories, but don't have to worry about that. We'll just have a look at the audio converter, which is probably going to be useful for you guys. Even though I got a fresh download, it still says new version is available. I think this is to do with them not being able to bulk update every single feature they have on here. Just say no, you don't need to do that. You can do that later if you need to. But have a look at this now. So what this essentially does is it converts your audio to any format you like. So I have an MP3 file and I want to convert that to a different format, like a WAV file. I just select my audio file, select where I want to save it, select the format that I would like to save it in, just press convert. Useful if you need to convert to various different formats. Free audio to Flash, I'll just quickly mention what it is, but you really don't need to look at this unless you're an advanced website designer or a developer. It creates a Flash player for you, so that, let's do this quickly. If you wanted to upload it to your web page, it just does that for you automatically. So say that you wanted to just take the code that this software creates and paste it into my web page. It will look like this. So when I play this, it will actually play the original file and sound of it, and then it will give you a little bit of information how to display this on your web page. Basically copying and pasting this code. As I said, this is more for advanced users. You probably don't really need that, because if you're advanced then you wouldn't be doing it this way anyway. And that's it. Let's go back and look at the CD DVD burner section. It's pretty, I guess, clear what it does. If you wanted to burn any discs, you just input that, insert the disk into your computer, and you start to add the files by clicking the add files. It's grayed out for me at the moment because I don't have a blank DVD in there, but if you did, then it will let you add files. You can select it, and once you have added everything that you wanted, just click the burn button and then it will burn it for you. This is a DVD burner, same thing, DVD converter. This could be useful. Say that you have a DVD, but you want to watch it on your computer without having to insert a DVD, and you want it in a different format. You want to upload it somewhere else, then you just use this. Select your DVD, and then you just convert it into the format that you want by selecting the format, and the output file again is whatever you'd like it to be. Then when you press convert, it will convert it for you. It's pretty useful if you want to watch your movies on your iPod or iPad and etc. or your computer. Audio CD burner is another useful tool. What this means is you add your sound, say that you have MP3s and you want to burn them onto a CD, so it does the opposite. You can add as many as you like, and then you'll convert them into a format that will be available for you to listen on a CD. And you just add them and then go burn. Again, it will tell you how much space is left, so just add as many as you like. When you burn, your audio CD will be ready for you to listen to. And this one does the opposite of what that feature, and this one will let you select the audio formats of audio CD, and it will convert your CD into MP3 files so you can do whatever you like with them. Let's go back now. DVD and video section. There are some really useful tools on here. For example, if you wanted to convert your video, you have a video, you have a digital camera, you recorded the video, and you want to burn it on your DVD, then you use this feature. You select the files by clicking on the browse, add them on here, select the output folder, and then you select your DVD, create DVD. Your videos will now be burned onto your DVD, and you can watch them on your DVD player on your computer. This one just does the same thing, but it just converts it to Flash. This one will actually convert your video to MP3. So say that you recorded a video and you don't want the visuals, you just want the sound file. All you do is you add your videos here. Then you select what kind of quality you want, the format you want, and I'll usually set I go with MP3, so that should be good enough. And then you select convert, and you'll see that your videos are now sound files. Then you can do whatever you like with that. This is useful because I've showed you how to do this before in my first tutorial, and if you wanted to do a whisper video with your camera and add a picture later on, this is the feature to use. And this is an interesting one, free video to JPEG. What this does is similar to when you upload a video to YouTube. You know, it gives you 3 thumbnails, snapshots from the video you uploaded. Well, this is exactly that. So say that we have, I'll use my own video for this. We have a night's video that I recorded. What I want is to make screenshots of the video every 5 seconds. You can do every whatever number of frames that you want, or you can just say I want total 100 snapshots from this video, or you just want every frame. this will be ridiculously long depending on how long your video is. You'll have many image files, every single frame as a JPEG. So you can try it if you like, but I just want every 10 seconds. And once you're ready, just click on extract, and you can see it's extracting the pictures from my video. And this will be interesting to look at. Let's open it. There we go. See, this is a video, but now I have snapshots every 10 seconds. It's kind of cool. So yeah, I don't know why you would like to do that, but if you want like still images from video, you can use this feature. Okay, this is a useful tool to convert your videos to different formats. So for example, I have an MP4 file, which is a video we just downloaded from YouTube, but I want to convert it to a different format. Even an MP3, which is sound, I wanted a mobile format. Well, it's already that, so maybe I wanted an AVI file. Then I would select that and then press convert. Another useful feature is to use this flip or rotate video, because some of you asked this question before. You have a video but it's sideways. How can you flip it or rotate it so that it looks right? Let's use our surprised kitty video for that. This will, once you select the input file, like the one that you want to flip or rotate, you will see the original on this box, and you will see the new one that you want to create on this box here, the right one. Then using these arrow buttons, you just start to flip it to your liking. You can flip it vertically, you can do it horizontally. So it's quite interesting and useful if you just want to correct your video's position, and simply select convert. And now it's rotating our kitten. Originally it was like that, but if we open it now, you'll see that it's titled as new. You can see that it's rotated the video. And once you upload this to YouTube, it will be like this. It's very useful, very useful if your camera records it horizontally and you want it vertical. You just use that for future. So let's close all that, and let's have a look at, this is the 3D video maker. I'm going to have a look at that in the 3D section, so we'll just leave it for now and quickly go into photos and images. I'll just quickly mention these because we're running out of time. What this means is you can convert your images, so you have a JPEG and you want them to be converted to bitmaps, etc., or you want to resize them. You have loads of really big image files, you want to convert them before you send them or upload them. Just use this feature. All you do is add your images here by using add button, then select the size that you'd like and what format you'd like, and just simply go convert. It will appear in the folder of your choice. Free video to JPEG, same concept that what we looked at before, so I won't go into that. Just convert your video into JPEG. We're gonna look at that soon, and this is useful. You can use this to create videos like me. So on your computer, you're doing some things and you just want to record a section of it. This is going to be interesting because I'm already recording my screen, but what I'll do is record a a smaller section to show you how this works. You can actually capture just snapshots of any section that you like. So for example, if I click that, then just go, let's take this little butterfly here. You see it's an image file that you can now save a little butterfly on your screen. Or let's see, I want a video. You can select to do it from full screen, you can select to do it from a window, or you can select region and record it as video. Let's do this butterfly here. Once you select the region, a little frame will appear saying it's recording. You can see it's recording. I'm just going to move my mouse in there to let you see what happens. And then once you're ready, just press stop. And now it should open your video that you recorded using your screen recorder. If you double click on that, see? You can see my mouse moving around. So this is your very first screen recording. And then once you save this, you can upload it to YouTube. It's kind of neat, very neat. Admittedly I use Camtasia, but this is good enough too. And next we're going to look at mobiles. This section is all about your cell phones, your mobile phones. So if you wanted to convert your video into a format that will work on your Android phone or BlackBerry, Motorola, Nokia, Samsung, Sony, Xbox even, or Nintendo, you can convert your video to work on your PS3. Use this section for that purpose. Apple devices, same idea. If you want to convert your video so that it works on your Apple devices, use this section. Finally, this is fun. The 3D section lets you make 3D, three-dimensional videos or images. Admittedly, I haven't tried viewing these because I don't have the necessary glasses to view the 3D images. If you have one and you want to try, you could let me know how that worked for you. But I'll show you how to do it regardless. I'm actually going to do the video because that's kind of more fun. So just to basically show you how to make a 3D movie, you can select left and right sources. So that means that if you have two videos that you recorded, then you can add them to make a 3D movie, but I haven't really tried that because I'm not very advanced in this 3D making. So I'm just gonna tick this box here, say use single video, and just upload single video. I'll upload my night's movie, and you can see that once I upload it, it actually transforms your video into this different colored video that will display in sort of three-dimensional once you wear the 3D glasses. You can move these bars to adjust the coloration in the video. Admittedly, I don't know how well or how you need to modify it to make it perfect, but let's just go make 3D and see what happens. You can see the progress bar on here. Once it's completed, it will let you have a look at the 3D video movie that you just created. Let's play it. Here you go. See, it looks weird. Obviously it's gonna be weird because you're not wearing your glasses at the moment, but if you were, I don't know how good it will actually look either. Let me know if you do try this out. So in a nutshell, that's what Free Studio Manager is. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions, do let me know. If you'd like me to focus on some specific aspects of it, I can do that. But as I said, once you know how to do one of these, it's pretty easy to get your head around the rest. So good luck, and I will talk to you again soon. Take care, guys. Thanks for listening. Bye for now. Bye bye.